Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the scene. Open Moon Animator and add a camera object to the rig so you can animate perspective. You set the timeline start and frame rate to match your target export. This avoids mismatched motion later. Once done, switch to camera view to compose the first shot and create a camera track. Make sure to add a keyframe at frame 0 and give the shot a clear name so you can find it quickly during iteration. Now you build motion. Move the camera using the transform gizmos and choose local or world mode depending on the path you want. Local gives object relative arcs while world keeps global coordinates. Add keyframes for position, rotation, and FOV at important beats, and then smooth transitions with easing or Bezier tangents so movement feels intentional. If the shot follows an actor, parent the camera or use a follow rig to finish, preview the full timeline and make note of any popping or jitter. You should bake keyframes when constraints or physics introduce instability. Baking resolves frame-by-frame discrepancies. Next, configure render settings such as codec, resolution, and exact frame range, then run a short test export to validate. If the camera pops, first check for accidental double transforms or conflicting parents, then adjust FOV or rebake the track. One key tip: reparent temporarily to isolate the camera and identify the source of the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.